Today I'm gonna show something I bought I found in a flea market today, and it's this one, Mamiya 645 Super. Nice thing, isn't it? The guy asked £30 for it. I say, no, I'll give you 20. I say, okay, take it. Anyway, it's a film camera, medium format. Anyone watching knows what is it. So I'm just gonna show it because it's beautiful. The lens is that 150 millimeters, 1.4. Has everything. Film backs here. Prism finder. There's a crank over here. Okay, let's just hear the noise, it's quite noisy. When you push the button, you know the picture was taken. I hope it works. Let's see. Anyway, for £20 it can be on my display. It's beautiful. Has everything completely. So, just showing you guys my new acquisition. Everything in this camera comes apart. This comes apart, this comes apart, and that comes apart. It's for blocking the light from the film when you take it back out or when you put it in. Nice, isn't it? Hope you enjoy watching. Thanks guys. Medium format camera, Mamiya 645 Super. Perfect. Almost new. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.